Hey, VisionAutoworks here. This is a set of Nissan 300ZX calipers that we fully rebuilt. Just to give you guys a look. No powder coating on these. We cleaned them up. These have been fairly used. Definitely really grimy when they came in. Show you the new internal piston seals and dust boots, new clips. These items were provided by the customer, although we can get the rebuild kits as well. We did give this customer a discount for sending in his own parts. So these are ready to go, ready to roll in the car. Now, typically for this type of cosmetic, not damage, but there is some, light surface rusting and corrosion on these aluminum calipers. So yeah, we definitely recommend getting a powder coat if you can wait. It does add time to the lead time for the service, but if you do want to ensure a nice looking finish in whatever color you want, we can make that happen. Now, these faces were as dark as pretty much the back here of these calipers, just covered with grime. So we did clean up the faces pretty well. Same thing with these rear calipers. They're pretty much covered in brake dust and grease. So we got these cleaned up. At least the logos are showing up properly now. And it's kind of odd. These calipers do have somewhat different colors, but yeah, we'll work on a lot of different vehicles, brands for calipers. These are Sumitomos. These are the OEM 300ZX calipers. We do a lot of Brembos, and we can do aftermarket as well. You can check out our service and pricing at VisionAutoworks.com. Thanks.